Alright, this is a quick video on how to connect the PTZ 20x-USB to a controller that I purchased online. This controller is specifically the HuddleCam HD model HC Joy, I guess joystick. Why do I have this? Well, this is the camera, and it's a really nice camera. Operates very well. I've used it in the training situations that I purchased it for. The problem is it comes with a remote control, and that remote control is IR in nature, and as a result, if the camera isn't, or if the remote control isn't pointed directly at the front of the camera, it doesn't see it very well, and then it doesn't go to the position you're trying to get it to. So I went online and found that this box will interface with it. Now, what's surprising to me is that this box controls the camera via RS-232, and you can kind of see it right there. I haven't used RS-232 in 20 years, but that's what it is. So as a result, you have to have a cable with, there we go, this RS-232 connector, as well as this one. And this one goes to the camera, and this one goes to the box. So let's get started. Okay, I've connected the RS-232 cable to the camera. Didn't do anything else. The power's still off. And I've connected to the other end of the RS-232 cable to the box. So I'm going to plug it in. And when it comes up, it has this screen on it that says Pelco P4800. That's the speed, that's the protocol and the speed, and also the address. Now, unfortunately, the manual for this is horrible. I've read through it, and it took actually a lot of trial and error to figure out how to make it work. So here's basically the instructions. Okay, first thing you do is go to your manual for your PTZ. Okay, so what I found was the information about what the camera's protocol is, and as you can see, it's VISCA, address 1, baud rate 9600, and language is English. So what we have to do is set this to those parameters. So here's where it gets weird. To set the protocol, you type in 1000, and you'll see a little 1000 come up there. Hit preset, and then the menu will change. And what you want to do is go to keyboard setup, and you're already there. So then the question is, where's the enter button? There is no enter button. Through trial and error, I figured out that it was close. Close, change the menu, go into the keyboard setup. Then you use the open key to change the protocol. And I'll do it this way so you can see. So the protocol is changing based on me pressing the open key. So we're going to go to VISCA, and then we're going to use the joystick. Go down. You can see now I'm at 4800. We use the same key to change the speed or the baud rate to 9600. Then I use the joystick, go down, And now I want to exit, press the open key again, and it goes, and now it's set. Then you use the joystick to scroll down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to exit, and then using the open key as the enter button, and now we have Visca at 9600 baud. Now, if I turn my camera on, then we'll go through its homing sequence. Okay, so the question is, will it now work if I move the joystick? And the answer is no. Camera is not working. Why? Because the address has to be set. The address is at 0, and if you remember, address needs to be at 1. So how do we set the address? We press 1, then we press cam. Go back, and the address is now at 1. Now let's try. I'll move the joystick up or down. Now I have communication. Okay, so let's talk about presets. If the camera is in its home position, and let's say I'm doing a presentation and I have a subject over on this side of the stage that I want to always go to automatically, I can do a preset. A preset is set by pressing 1. You'll see the little 1 on the screen. And then you want to press preset and hold it. And if you press preset and hold it, you see the screen now goes to set pre-1. Now that position is now set pre-1. I go back home, and now if I want to use that, and the speaker that I was referring to earlier is now speaking, I would simply press 1 preset, and it goes back. If I press home, which happens to be F5, it goes back home. So I do that again. Let's see the camera move. So preset 1 and home. And again, I can move my camera to another position. I did that using the joystick. And let's see, I can make that preset 2. I press 2. I press the preset button and hold it. And there's preset 2. Okay, so press home, F5, it goes home. Preset 1. I'm at preset 1. Preset 2. I'm at preset 2. F5, back home. So I can continue to set presets by doing that. Press the button, press and hold preset.